Hi friends, I'm Lilly. Today I'm going to tell you a funny story about how I thought rainbows were made. One day after the rain, I looked up and saw a beautiful rainbow in the sky. I said, wow, someone has must build in a giant box of crayons in the clouds. When I imagined a little cloud crying, oh no, my crayons are falling everywhere. But then I had of another idea. Maybe a unicorn was running across the sky and its colorful tail was stuck in the clouds. Can you imagine that a unicorn saying, oops, I dropped my colors? Then I thought maybe the sun got bored and decided to paint the sky with seven different colors. I even waved the sun at the sun and shouted, great painting, Mr. Sun. But guess none of those ideas were right. The real answer is much cooler. When sunlight shines through tiny raindrops in the air, the light bends and splits into different colors. Those colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When all those colorful lights appear together, we see a rainbow. So, a rainbow is made when sunshine and raindrops work together like a magical team. It's not was amazing. Now, whenever I see a rainbow, I smile and remember my silly ideas about crayons, unicorns, and sky paintings. Thanks for listening to my funny rainbow story. See you next time, friends. Bye bye.